how to log in on Midjourney. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can log into Midjourney, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log in on Midjourney, it's actually quite very simple. Just go to midjourney.com. Now Midjourney is actually like a Discord bot or an AI that will actually integrate to your Discord, right? So basically, even when you click on the login option, what it does is after you go to the website and click on login, it'll ask you to authorize with your Discord account. So you just have to allow the Midjourney bot into your Discord account so that you can actually use Discord by clicking on the authorize option. Now you can also go to showcase if you want to use some of the Midjourney showcase, and here these are some of the images that other people have generated on Midjourney. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.